Hi, I'm Kris Roberts. I'm the managing partner here at the Roberts Tax Group located in downtown Torrington. What I wanted to talk to you about today was filing extensions and what does that really mean. Now, if you're a business and your tax year ends on December 31st, your business return is due March 15th. An extension will allow you an additional 6 months until September 15th to actually file the return. As an individual, your tax return is due April 15th, so the 6 months extension will give you until October 15th. Now, these are great because it gives you a little bit of time, but unfortunately there's some misconceptions about extensions, how to get them, and what they really mean. An extension is only an extension for a time to file your tax return, not an extension for payment of the tax that you owe. So what happens is in March, if you're a business, or in April, if you're an individual, it's your job to calculate an estimated figure on how much taxes you may owe. If you're getting a refund, great, no problem, file the extension and you're golden. But if you think you're gonna owe money, when you file your extension, you're supposed to be paying that amount of money with the extension. If you don't do that, what happens when you finally file your tax return, whether that's in September or October, you're going to end up getting an underpayment penalty, you're going to get a late payment penalty, and you're going to be charged interest. So you can take a $500 or $1,000 tax bill that you owed, and you can add several $100s to it. So you have to remember, when you're filing your extensions, you have to figure out whether you're going to end up owing or not. And if you missed the deadline for filing an extension, March 15th or April 15th, you can't file one after the fact. So if it's June, let's say, and you're like, oh, I forgot to file my extension. Sorry, too late. You can't file one now. The IRS and the state will not accept it. Now, some states offer to accept the federal extension in lieu of having to file a separate extension for the state. Some states don't, so you have to make sure you know what states require what for extensions. And then one other misconception is people think that, okay, well, I'm on extension, I can wait until September 14th or October 14th to do my tax return. Yeah, you could do that, but when you wait until the very last minute to file when you're on extension, now it's almost a year after the fact, and it's a little bit harder to gather data, get the right information in order to prepare a complete and accurate return. So what we recommend to clients is, if you're going on extension, or if you are on extension, don't wait until the last minute to actually file. You should have paid any taxes that are due when you filed your extension, so there's no need to procrastinate. The sooner you can get it done, the quicker you can get your refund back, the quicker you can get everything all done for the year, and it allows you to do planning for the current year. For example, we have some clients who are still on extension for 2018, because right now it's June of 2018. Those clients are coming to us and wanting us to do tax planning for 2019. Well, it's very complicated and hard to really do effective tax planning for 2019 if we don't have the information for 2018. We certainly don't want to base 2019 planning on information from 2017. That's not really good information to use. So by procrastinating and not filing their returns as soon as they possibly can, it also impacts their current year tax planning. Now, if you have any questions about extensions, tax planning, or anything else, you can always reach out to us. You can find us on the web at www.rtg.tax, or you can even find us on Facebook. Thanks, and have a great day.